Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain how to send fax easily from your Google account, from your Gmail, from your Google Drive, from your Google Sheet or from your Google Doc. Now, most of the fax services out there in internet pushes you to buy their subscription just to send few pages of faxes. This is not very pocket friendly. What we actually need is a good paper fax online service. Hence, today I'm going to explain about eFaxing, which is this amazing paper fax app which you can get from the Google Marketplace. Now, the best part about this eFaxing is it works with all of your Google account. It can be either your Gmail, Google Drive, Google Sheet, or your Google Docs. Now, to install this application, you simply need to go to this Google Workspace Marketplace. Just type in eFaxing and then install the first application which you got there. Once you install the application, you go to your Gmail, you will be able to see the application on the sidebar of your Gmail. Now, if you go to Google Doc, you will be able to see the same application in the sidebar as well. Same with Google Sheet, the same application, and same with Google Drive. So it basically works with all of your Google services. Now, let me first show you how you can send fax easily from your Gmail. Now, another best part about this application is that they have amazing web app as well. So you can directly go to their website and send the fax, which I'm going to show you on the later part of this video. Now let me show you how you can fax from your Gmail. Now once you click on this application, this basically opens a dialog and you need to put in your fax number. So let me send a fax number. And let me click on fax using this eFaxing app. Now this basically opens another window where it says that you are sending fax to this number. It asks for any optional details if you want to fill. What you simply need to do is attach a document here. And then click on the send. Now once you click on this send, you would basically get a follow-up email with the payment link. You just need to click on that payment link, complete the payment, and then boom, your fax is sent. This is as simple as it could be. Now I would show you how you can fax your Google Doc using the same application. Now to fax your Google Doc, you need to open whichever doc you want to fax. Once you open your doc, you go to this eFaxing app and then same, put in your country code. Click on fax using eFaxing app. This basically shows you the fax receptor number, the document which you are faxing, which is basically this document. And then it says that you are paying only for what you are using. And then you need to click on this pay, proceed to checkout. Once you click on this proceed to checkout, it basically takes you to the checkout page. And you need to click here. Once you click on this, it basically shows you the cost of the fax. Now this is basically in INR, but you would be charged based on whatever countries you are part of. The amount would be shown in INR, but the amount of money deducted would be converted into your currency. Like if you are in US, it is just charging you 9.90 cents. So you need to put in your detail and just click on pay to fax your document. Now, if you want to fax a Google Sheet as well, this is pretty much the same process. And if you want to fax from your Google Drive, you need to go to the Google Drive and then open the app on the sidebar. Once you open the app on the sidebar, it basically detects that you don't have any document open in your Google Drive window. So what you need to do is basically open any Google document which you want to send. So suppose I want to send this document. I click on this, and on the same sidebar I can get this application. Now once I click on this application, I have to fill in my country code, I have to fill in all the details, and then I can click on this eFaxing app and then send the fax. Now this is very simple, right guys? Now if you want to fax using their web app, it can be done as well. You can either click on here to open their web app, you can fill in their country code, you can select the file whichever you want to send. It shows you the number of files which you have selected, and you just click on send fax. It should basically take you to the same checkout page which you got from other of your application. So this is what I have got for you. I hope you have a seamless faxing experience with this application. Do let me know in comments if you have or if you face any difficulty using this application. Bye bye. See you next time.